Welcome to Maloney Company's online professional liability application, which can be found on our webpage at www.maloneyllc.com. My name is Santina Raganis, and I will be walking you through this simple 11-step application, which upon completion will enable us to submit to multiple insurers and provide you with the best possible quote for the coverage your firm needs. If you prefer a PDF fillable version, feel free to click here. Step 1. Please provide your firm's full legal name and be sure to include any formal suffixes like Inc., LLC, PC, or DBA. Enter additional contact information below. You'll notice throughout the application some questions will have an asterisk next to them. These are required to be completed in order to proceed to the next question. Does your firm have any additional locations? If so, list here. Step 2. Please list the full name of each owner and show the percentage of ownership. The total ownership percentage should equal 100%. Step 3. You will notice throughout the application that some questions will have a question mark next to them. Click on these for further information relevant to that question. If a principal of the firm shown in question 1 was the principal of another entity, please list that firm here. We should discuss whether you would like coverage for that other firm or for the principal's involvement in that other firm. Depending on the decision of the underwriter, you may be able to get coverage for that past work. Step 4. Please list the breakdown of services your firm provided during your last fiscal year, totaling to 100%. Step 5. Please list the type of projects you worked on during your last fiscal year. Apartments are projects owned by one entity and rented out to others. Condominiums are typically multifamily projects and are considered higher risk regardless of whether you work for the condo association, developer, or for an individual unit owner. Co-op should be listed under Other. Step 6. Please provide your client type breakdown for the last fiscal year, totaling to 100%. You will notice that if your percentages are not totaling 100%, you are unable to move forward. Please make the appropriate corrections and proceed to the next question. Step 7. Staffing. Notice a progress bar at the top of the page. This indicates how far along you are in the application. We are over halfway finished. Step 8. Billings. The figures shown in this question should match the gross billing figure on a tax return. If your firm is just starting out and does not have historical billings, please provide a billing estimate for the upcoming 12 months. When you make this estimate, I would suggest that you be conservative yet realistic. By entering your percentages of low-risk billings and your direct reimbursable expenses, you just calculated your percentage of reimbursable expenses. If your firm performs any high-risk services, please list them here. Step 9. Risk management. Please provide the breakdown of percentages between written and verbal contracts. This should total 100%. If you hire subconsultants, please provide the percentage of fees paid to subconsultants. Some insurers will give a credit for your use of insured subconsultants. If plans are reviewed before being released, some insurers will give you credit for this risk management procedure. If the answer is no currently, but you plan to institute this procedure, please indicate this to your Maloney Company broker. Step 10. If you currently have a professional liability policy in place, please provide the specifics here. This information will help us provide you with competitive quotes similar to the coverage you currently have. Remember, click on the question marks if you need further information. Claim information. If you've had any claims made against you for the past 5 years, please provide details here. The insurers are also likely to want to see the official loss run provided by your insurer showing exactly what was paid out, etc. If there are any situations out there right now that could be considered a claim circumstance under a professional liability policy, please provide the details here. A claim circumstance is often described as a situation reasonably likely to give rise to a claim against you. If the matter has already been reported to an insurer, please include that information as well. Step 11. As you can see on the progress bar, we are almost done with the application. Please read and electronically sign the above consents. Upon submission, a Maloney Company account manager will review your application and will contact you shortly. You are now on track to receive competitive quotes from up to 15 different insurers. If you have any questions and would like to speak directly with someone from our office, don't hesitate to contact us by phone or email. Thank you.